Ever pondered about your current lifestyle and wondered if you could change it for the better? Today, we're going to delve into a topic that has the potential to transform your life: a healthy lifestyle. This isn't just about diet or exercise. It's about making choices that respect your body and mind. It's about forming habits that sustain you, not drain you. It's about taking small steps towards a big change. Remember, it's never too late to start a journey towards a healthier lifestyle. The first pillar of good health lies in your plate: a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a meal plan that includes the right proportions of all the essential nutrients your body needs. It's a colorful mix of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Imagine your plate as a painter's palette, each color representing a different food group. Proteins, the building blocks of your body, can come from lean meats, fish, eggs, or plant-based sources like beans and lentils. Carbohydrates, your body's main energy source, are found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Healthy fats, necessary for brain function and hormone production, are present in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Vitamins and minerals, vital for various bodily functions, are abundant in fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. A balanced diet is not just about eating the right foods, but also about enjoying your meals. So don't forget to add a pinch of joy to every dish you make. The second pillar of good health is regular exercise. Just like a well-oiled machine, our bodies need movement to function optimally. Regular exercise not only helps burn calories, but also improves our mood, boosts our energy levels, and enhances our overall well-being. Now, let's talk about different types of exercises. Aerobic exercises, such as running and swimming, improve cardiovascular health and stamina. Strength training, like weightlifting, promotes muscle growth and bone density. Flexibility exercises, like yoga, enhance mobility and reduce the risk of injuries. Lastly, balance exercises, like Tai Chi, improve stability and coordination. Each type of exercise contributes differently to our health, and the key is to find a balance that suits your lifestyle and fitness goals. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. It's better to exercise a little every day than to push yourself to the limit once a week. Regular exercise is not just about losing weight. It's about feeling good about yourself. The third pillar of good health is getting adequate sleep. Sleep isn't just a time for your body and mind to rest. It's a critical period when your body rejuvenates itself, healing and repairing the heart and blood vessels. Lack of sleep can lead to chronic health problems like heart disease, kidney disease, and even stroke. Sleep also plays a decisive role in promoting mental health. It's during sleep that your brain forms new pathways to help you learn and remember information. A good night's sleep improves learning, problem-solving skills, and even creativity. But what does adequate sleep mean? For most adults, 7 to 8 hours a night is considered healthy. However, the quality of sleep matters as much as the quantity. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is what your body and mind need to function optimally. To sum it up, good sleep is not just about resting. It's about rejuvenating your body and mind. The fourth pillar of good health is staying hydrated. Now, let's dive into the world of hydration. Imagine water as the oil that keeps the engine of your body running smoothly. It's vital for nearly every function in your body, from flushing out toxins to maintaining a healthy skin glow. It even acts as a shock absorber for your brain and spinal cord. A lack of water can lead to dehydration, a condition that can cause headaches, fatigue, and even affect your mood and memory. So it's crucial to keep your body well-oiled, or in this case, well-hydrated. Water intake doesn't have to be boring. Infuse it with fruits or herbs for a refreshing twist. You can also hydrate by eating foods with high water content, such as cucumbers or watermelons. Let's remember, hydration isn't just a one-time thing. It's a constant process. Staying hydrated is not just about drinking water. It's about maintaining the balance of bodily fluids. The fifth pillar of good health is managing stress effectively. Stress is like an invisible enemy, wreaking havoc on your body and mind if left unchecked. It can lead to a range of health issues, from heart disease to mental health problems. But fear not, there are ways to combat this silent adversary. Firstly, regular exercise is a powerful stress reliever. It promotes the release of endorphins, your body's natural mood lifters. Secondly, mindfulness and meditation can help you stay grounded, allowing you to focus on the present moment rather than worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet and getting adequate sleep can help your body better cope with stress. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good laugh or a heart-to-heart talk with a friend. These simple activities can do wonders for your stress levels. Managing stress is not just about staying calm, it's about maintaining a positive outlook on life. The sixth pillar of good health is regular health checkups. Now you might be thinking, I feel fine, why do I need a checkup? Well, let's break it down. Regular health screenings are like your car's servicing. They keep you running smoothly and spot any potential problems before they become serious. They can catch diseases and health conditions early on when they're often easier to treat. Think of it as your body's maintenance schedule. These checkups encompass a variety of tests, from blood pressure readings to cholesterol screenings and even cancer screenings. They're your first line of defense against unseen health threats. And it's not just about disease prevention. Regular checkups allow you to have an ongoing dialogue with your healthcare provider, to ask questions and get advice tailored to your unique health needs. Remember, your health isn't something you should take for granted. Regular checkups are not just about disease prevention, they're about being proactive about your health. The seventh and final pillar of good health is maintaining healthy relationships. Relationships, both personal and professional, have a profound impact on our overall health. They can either be a source of joy and support, or they can cause stress and distress, depending on their nature. Positive interactions with those around us, whether they're friends, family, or colleagues, can significantly boost our mental and emotional well-being. A good laugh with a friend, a deep conversation with a loved one, or a collaborative project at work can all contribute to a sense of happiness and fulfillment. On the flip side, unhealthy relationships, marked by constant conflict or negativity, can take a toll on our health. They can lead to stress, anxiety, and even physical health problems over time. So it's crucial to cultivate and nurture positive relationships in our lives. Remember, healthy relationships are not just about being with others, they're about nurturing positive connections. To wrap up, a healthy lifestyle is a combination of several elements. Let's take a moment to revisit these 7 pillars of good health. Each one is a vital aspect on its own, but together they form a robust structure that can support an enduring, rewarding, and healthy lifestyle. Firstly, a balanced diet. Consuming a variety of foods in the right proportions is a cornerstone of good health. It's not about denying yourself the foods you love, but about finding a balance that nourishes your body. Next, we have regular exercise, a crucial component that's about more than just losing weight. It's about keeping your body active, strong, and resilient. And it's also a great way to boost your mood and energy levels. Sleep, often underestimated, is our third pillar. It's the time when our bodies recover and rebuild, and it's essential for maintaining our physical and mental health. Our fourth pillar, hydration, is the lifeblood of our bodies. It's about more than quenching thirst. It's about ensuring our bodies function properly and stay energized. Moving on to stress management, the fifth pillar. Stress is a part of life, but managing it effectively can keep it from overwhelming our health. Whether it's through meditation, hobbies, or simply taking time for yourself, finding ways to unwind is crucial. The sixth pillar is regular checkups. Prevention is better than cure, and regular medical checkups can help catch potential health issues before they become serious problems. Lastly, we have healthy relationships. We're social creatures, and having positive, supportive relationships can do wonders for our mental and emotional well-being. These 7 pillars are not about drastic changes or quick fixes. They're about making small, sustainable changes that can add up to a big difference in your health and well-being. You don't have to master all 7 pillars overnight. It's a journey after all. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your journey towards a healthier lifestyle today.